Hey, this is Seb from socialanxietysolutions.com. Welcome to Testimonials Tuesday. And today I'm reading a comment to you that was posted under the coaching series called Neutralize Your Shame and Fear of Embarrassment. That is a series where I coached a lady by the name of Leah to help her neutralize her shame and fear of embarrassment. And the comment is by Michael, and it's on the second of the 4 replays of the live coaching sessions. In these replays, you simply tap along with, you follow the session that I'm having with Leah on screen, and as a result of that, because you can relate to it so much and your subconscious links it and you're doing the tapping, you actually start to get relief on your issues. And Michael reports the following. Hey everyone, so I have to say that my numbers were pretty much right on with Leah's. I also had the same feeling at the end where I felt like I could not achieve the default of feeling being good. After tapping on it, her number went down to a 3, I think, but mine still sat around a 5 or 6. I don't know, something about maybe trying to work on this issue before with therapists and having some success, but eventually feeling like I always slid back to my anxious self makes it hard for me to believe I can achieve this. I've noticed that my interactions in situations have been better though. I've been more talkative, relaxed, and present. I still get anxiety in some situations and usually end up tapping on my fingers through the anxiety so that no one will notice. So I still have some of the pyramid of shame creeping up, but I guess it's not affecting me as much right now. Overall, the results so far are interesting, and I wanted to thank Leah for expressing her feelings that felt like a mirror image to mine and being very open and honest. Thank you for a great session. All right, hope you enjoyed that. If that inspired you, if you want to experience this yourself, go to bit.ly/fear of embarrassment. That is bit.ly/fear of embarrassment. FEAROFEMBARRASSMENT. All right, I'll connect with you soon. Bye for now.